Changing your country in the Apple Store is so simple, and I'm going to show you in this tutorial how to change your store to any country of your choice in just some few minutes. So the first thing is to go to your App Store. So you click on that and you click on your profile right here on the right corner. Now what you need to do is to now click on your either iCloud email or your Gmail account you used to set up your account. That's all you need to do. Then from here you see Apple ID manage payment. I want you to click on the country stroke region. Okay, click on that and wait for some few minutes or seconds depending on your internet. Now you say to change your country or region associated with your account, tap change country. So I'm going to change my country to maybe UK or the US. I've already have the US store, so let me try to change it to different. Okay, so you click on that and you have a whole list of countries. You can change your store to Afghanistan, Albania, Algeria. It has a whole lot, even Chad, Chile, Dominica. So let's scroll till we find US. Okay, we're still scrolling. We have Singapore, we have South Africa. So keep. Now you could see it's already checked because I'm using the US App Store. So if you want to change it to any country, whether UK, you just click on UK, or either you want UAE, you click on United Arab Emirates. You can choose Ukraine. You can also choose Vietnam. So when you want US, just click on US. It will bring you to another page to accept the agreement. Okay, so you just click on agree with Apple, and it should send you to a new tab. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. So here you click on none, then you fill in the street, which is you can search on Google like any US address. You just put in your street, put in city. So let's say I'll just type in 230 Cooper Street, so ST, I think that's all. Then city, let's say New York. And state, you scroll down till you find NY, New York. Okay, when you see that, just click here and it will automatically fill for you. And the zip code, I'm going to choose 10080, and the number I'm just going to choose 661. Let's say random 5234653. I think that is all. So you could see your country is already in the United States, and all I need you to do is to click on next, and that is it. You're done. So when you click on done, it will automatically refresh your App Store page so that it sends you straight. So you could see it send me a Gmail. Your Apple ID has been updated, and that is all. Because I was already in the US store, it didn't refresh. So if you are from UK or you are from Laos and you are changing to US, you'll see that your page is being refreshed, and that's all. You'll be able to download most application which is not in your country App Store on the US store, or either UK store, whether you change it to that place, or whether any country around the world. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So that is how you can change your App Store to any country of your choice and start downloading some apps which is not in your store, but you can find it whether in the UK store, Canada store, or the US store. I hope you enjoy. Take care and I'll see you soon. Goodbye.